My son was driving me crazy for a BMW E36 5-speed manual for the longest time, and in his search he found this beat up with several issues for $6,000. I was able to negotiate it for $4,800 and shipped it from Texas all the way to South Florida. We changed out the spark plug since we did a compression test, and we found out that it also had an issue with the battery and alternator, which we discovered in part 1 and 2 of the series. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. And the idea behind this vehicle is to restore it like I did with this BMW E39 M5. We got something very economical and turned it into something that came out fabulous. And if you haven't checked it out, I do have it on my YouTube channel, and this restoration came out really nice. So consider subscribing if you're into the automotive content. You can see how well this actually cleaned up, and we're gonna put some liners that we have. Alright, so we're still missing a few parts, but that's all we receive for right now. Okay, so let me show you how this goes. You see this here? This locks in. Push in and then you drop it down. Now push down on it. And now these two cables. Slide it like a tray, like a sliding tray, nice and easy. Okay, can we put something on there to hear it? FM? No, it's AM.
No. I think we're in the...
Alright, so it doesn't do much. I don't think it's working. It's probably what it was out. Alright, we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so Vic went ahead and took out that radiator, and we could see that condenser got bent from hitting something in the bottom. So next, we're going to remove this condenser. Is it that tight? Oh.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Next one. For a very long boat. All right. Okay.
And we button up the 2 bolts for the bottom hoses.
Careful, careful. Alright. Okay, so now that we have the fan motor assembly out, I was looking at this compressor since we do have the space, and this thing does not budge. It doesn't move at all, so that's a big issue. And this crank pulley here, it wobbles just like this. Okay, so here we have that crank pulley, the belt, and the compressor. Go ahead. I think I might need a pry bar.
It's not coming out easily?
No. Okay, hold on. There we go. It's out. Okay, so here you can really see where that pulley is bent. Right there. Everything's supposed to be completely flat.
Okay, so the first thing, we're gonna break both the lines out.
Nice and easy. There you go. Done deal.
On there tight.
It's not moving?
No.
Okay, did you miss a screw?
Making sure I don't hit it from the, I don't want it to fall hard. You recording?
Yeah.
No, it's not that heavy.
To the floor?
No.
Alright, Vic, is there anything that we got to do here?
Yeah, so pretty much this is missing the 2 ports for the hoses, so we're just going to put this on here. We're also, we're going to move on this little sensor because it's missing that.
Okay.
We're also going to keep the original screws that come on this, so
Alright, perfect. Let's get to it then.
yeah, we're going to do that.
Got it. No.
Wait, hold on.
Push it back in. Espérate. Let me help you. You have to put it firm. Hold this here hard for me. See, look how I put this here.
Yeah.
1. Come.
All right.
Don't be scared. Stand right here. Ahí está.
Yeah.
Yeah, use the gun to take him out.
You want to do that? These are like you strip these easy though.
No, you have to use this
Why?
because that's well, it comes with the car.
Yeah, but come on, we have to keep it all in for that.
Yep. Because these are not gonna work for this. Remember, these are for this. This is what they sell you, so you'll be able to swap it out. Right? Okay. So this, we're gonna push them in, nice and gently. And always crisscross so we can tighten correctly. Once the guy starts hitting, you let off. There. Okay, now let's do the same thing for the other side. No, straight down.
Pushing straight down.
And twist. No, let me do it. Because the problem is if you go just a little to the side, you misthread it. And if you misthread here, then we're in for it again. Hold it for me. There. Try doing it yourself.
Alright.
Stand here. Straight down, and you twist. See that motion? That's the only way to do that.
We're gonna cut we're gonna cut these grounds, right?
No, one's ground, the other one's power. So cut here.
This is all one?
That's where your ground goes. And
put
also
it in
the
here.
power source for the other one.
Okay.
So you see this? We'll just put it back. And
Alright,
this is
so do we
pretty
cut
much
this?
worthless.
We cut this, right?
Now here, you're gonna pull it.
We gotta pull the cover out.
Right here, you're gonna pull it just a
Recording?
little bit. Right there.
Alright.
Boom, and slide it out.
Alright. Just got it.
Right here. Strip it.
Right?
No, right
There's like 4.
there.
Right, it's like, right? Alright.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now twist it together. Now you're gonna crimp it. Right here. Boom. In there. All the way in. Push in.
We're pushing in.
And hold on. Let go. Now you do a test of tug.
I don't know, that feels it's pretty janky.
Good?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So now you put it back how it was. How did it go?
Alright, so this was right here. No, hold on. Which one was ground?
Your plug.
My
facing
plug.
that way. First thing. Okay.
Alright, ground.
This
It's ground first, right?
goes there,
Yeah,
and then goes your ground.
ground.
That's how it went.
Come on.
I got it right there.
It's in the way.
Don't worry, get used to it. See, I almost stripped it.
Why would you use this? Like, there's like,
Other methods,
Other-
but
yeah.
our BMW did it that way.
I know, but there's this simple, like, there's this brand new screws. Like,
I hear you. It feels like it?
feels like it's in there. I don't know if it's because it's I can't go anymore. If it's, I think it's good.
Okay, so we're gonna put on the belt now that the compressor is installed. And that's it. Okay, since we put a brand new compressor and we put a brand new condenser, it was only fair that we actually got a brand new dryer also for our M3 here, and that way everything's pretty much done for the AC system.
Grab it.
Hold on. We're gonna get that screw out of there.
Dude, I'm right.
Can you get the screw in the bottom?
Yeah, I grabbed it.
There you go. Disconnect the line?
Disconnect the line.
Yeah. Okay. With the AC compressor, the condenser, and the dryer installed, we're not going to recharge the AC system just yet, since we still have a lot of work ahead of us. What I want to do is keep going through the vehicle, and then once we have a chance, then we'll get the AC recharged. If you enjoy the content, make sure to follow the journey of my son and I rebuilding this M3.